Hey everyone, I'm Cherie, independent designer for Couture. On this piece that I'm doing, I did some of it beforehand because there's a lot of layering involved in drying time. So to try to keep this video as short as possible, I did that beforehand. Right now I'm just putting different colors on the Easter eggs that are in the truck. Now, when I took it off, I noticed that one of the eggs, the first one I did, dried, so some of the chalk came off. So I just cleaned it. Once it dried, then I put the transfer back on and re-chalked it. So that's the beauty with Couture is you can redo it as many times as you want until you're happy. Makes the stress limit away from it, and it's just happy, and you can just play and have fun. See, there you go. This time I liked it. Okay, now I'm going to go and put some layers on that cute little bunny. Put pink on his ears, tail, and belly. Isn't he cute? A few butterflies. I think I used dreamsicle and lemon yellow. Just put them around. That Easter, I did kind of on diagonal with different colors and then just took my finger and blended it in. That took a few tries too. Now I'm putting 3 colors, dreamsicle, bubblegum, and lemon yellow. And I'll just take my finger and swirl around. I like this technique, it's easy. The hardest part here is trying to decide where I wanted to put these flowers. It's just easy peasy mac and cheesy. And there we go. There's our Easter Bunny egg farm. That's what I'm calling it. Looks like they're ready with a load to go. Thanks, everybody.